Hi there folks, it's UFO Bob, and today we're gonna cook a complete salmon dinner. Let's get started. First, we make the glaze, consisting of lemon juice, olive oil, minced garlic, onion powder, Dijon mustard. Now we mix them all together thoroughly. Next, we slice up some zucchini, also known as Italian squash, into bite-sized chunks. We do the same thing to a few red potatoes. Now, on a baking sheet covered with aluminum foil, place your salmon and apply the glaze. Then garnish with lemon slices. After that, add your potatoes, zucchini, and tomatoes to the tray. Then liberally add oil, salt and pepper, and then mix thoroughly. Finally, bake everything in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius, and do that for 30 minutes. There you have it, a complete meal all baked in the oven. It's simple and easy. Let's give it a taste test, shall we? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, how about giving me maybe a comment or thumbs up, or even subscribe. Hit that bell notification. And until then, this is UFO Bob, out.